Hello ma'am, good morning. Good morning. How are you today?
Okay po.
So anong name niyo ma'am?
I'm Pat from Cebu.
Oh, from Cebu. So kabalo di salita Cebu. Okay.
Okay, wow.
So ano 'yon ma'am? Is this your first time here?
No, second time.
Wow.
With my parents.
Bakit? Okay. So kasama mo parents mo. Akala ko wag isa ka lang kasi kanina pa kita napansin. You know, you're alone. That's why. You know. So so far, kumusta?
Okay.
Pang ilang days nyo na dito?
Second day.
Second day. So ikaw ngayon, ikaw lang yung pumunta dito, your parents and the... Kumusta yung experience niyo sa crystal kayak?
The best si Kuya.
Oh, di ba?
Dapat
Ang gandang
isa ito.
director, ang galing na photographer at mura pa.
Yes.
Di ba?
150.
Ay, talagang sinabi na ni Ma'am yung price. So, marirecommend mo ba siya sa iba?
Very solid.
Okay, sige po. Salamat.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
more.